folks, welcome back to James Again County Forges, part 3 of our door knocker build. We've got the tongs, the hammer for the knocker, the other billet that's going to be hit by the knocker. Okay, now we're going to make the anvil. Got some 16 gauge steel here, plenty thick enough for what we're going to do. We're going to be doing some cutting and bending on this and get us the shape of an anvil, maybe a little bit of welding, we'll see. But yeah, my plan is to basically draw out an anvil on here for the faceplate, and then I'll show you right here. Hopefully what I can do is draw it out onto the steel, add some reliefs for some bends, bend down the horn shape, and fold those in. So hopefully if we can do that, we won't have to do much welding, but if we can't, we'll just be cutting the pieces and welding them from the inside and cleaning it up with the grinder to make it look nice. But yeah, that's what we're going for. We're going to make us an anvil to mount all this to. So hang out, let's have some fun. We ought to be able to finish this bad boy up. Here's just my mild steel block that I do a lot of my chisel work on, that I'm going to keep here on my bench. It's the perfect size for what I'm going for an anvil face. Hardy hole will be in this area. We're even going to put a fake false pritchard hole in our anvil to make it look real. Pritchard hole there. This is going to go here, like so. This will be here, like that, but stationary obviously, like so. Got this 1 inch thick mild block. This is my chiseling block that I do most of my chisel work in here when I make my roses. I'm going to trace this out to the size I need. This is pretty much how everything's going to go on this. It'll give us enough room to make our relief and possibly make the horn on this piece or make it out of a separate piece. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, we're just going to take this, mark this, draw it. Take this, it's 1 inch wide. We're gonna go one inch over here. Mark that. Now, table on an anvil. Mine is generally 3 inches on my anvils. That's what this is. We're going to take this down 2 inches though, since we're going to drop the proportions. Right there. Right there. That's corners of the table. We're going to find our middle point here. There. Alright guys, sorry you missed the first part of me bending it, but I just started bending it on the scores where I'm at here in the forge. Decided to use the forge to bend it up. This other side, since it's not as wide, the anvil that we're making is not as wide as the as my anvil. I can't sit it on top of my anvil to bend it, so I've got these two pieces of angle iron here in the vise. When we get it hot, we're gonna stick it in there, clamp it down, and bend it over. All right, clamped in there. Now we're just gonna here she is so far. Let's get the horn done. That plate that I had in there inside of our piece of steel. Now we're going to put that whole thing down inside the vise. If I can get everything open far enough. Now we should have a nice shoulder there. Take that on over. We've got it bent up, welded in the corners inside there, like we want it. Okay, now, like I said, I'm going to save cutting out the horn for last. This is just going to lay flat on the wall. Like that, okay. Now we're going to drill our hardy hole. We're just going to drill a round hole for that to where our piece can sit there and we can weld it through the back to where it looks like it's sitting in a hardy hole. And then we're going to drill a Pritchett hole here as well. Alright. Go ahead and we're just going to drill this Pritchett hole. Okay, there's our Pritchett hole for the anvil. Okay, now this will sit on here and we're going to weld it from the back. Alright, we're just going to fill that in with a weld right there, that hole. Alright folks, we're almost there. Now we just got to mark exactly where that hammer billet's going to sit so we can drill the hole, set it in place, and weld it in place, okay? So let me mark that. Figure out which way we want to turn this bad boy. Do I want the tones going straight down? I think I do. I like that. Give the horn some depth. I think I like that. We'll see. Damn, that don't look like an anvil to me. This thing is awesome. It's awesome. Look at that. Isn't that bad? Man, that is the ticket right there, dude. I've had fun making this thing, guys. This is awesome. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take it to the forge. We're gonna heat this anvil up. We're gonna just get it warm. Take a nice boiled linseed oil rag, and wipe it down really good to give it a nice finish. Okay, brush it. Kind of get some of this spots, this rust off of here, but other than that, man, this thing is that close to being done. That close. Alright, we're out here at the forge. Got this bad boy up here. I'm going to set it across the top of my forge and just let it get hot from underneath. We're going to take it and brush it, and I've got a rag with some boiled linseed oil. We're going to rub it down while it's hot. So let me get this thing set on here and start warming up. Show you what I got going on right there. Got the fire brick. It's where I can keep that raised up, where it's just getting the heat coming up off the fire right there instead of down in the coals. It's gonna get nice patina on it. It's gonna change some colors. You see it turning kind of brown right now. You're gonna see some blues running through it. I'll let that thing get good and hot, and pull it off there, and brush it down real good, and then wipe it down with that rag. Oh yeah. Here we go. Oh yeah, that darkened that bad boy right. Tomorrow, same video, just tomorrow for me. Let me get this thing mounted up and show you how it looks, man. This thing is awesome, and it's pretty much done. You see what we got here. Just gonna shine the face up a little bit, I think, maybe. Think about that overnight. I'll think about that. But we're gonna get it mounted up and show you how well it works. See if we can hear it. Wall to my smithy area. It's just some privacy fence. I've built a wall around it to keep the wind out, you know, so I can just have a little bit of privacy, all in all. But it comes at a cost, because when I'm in there working, it's loud, and that's why I built the door knocker. You know, people startle me from time to time. They just walk up, and I look up, and they're standing there, and I don't want to have a damn heart attack, bottom line. But, so we made this door knocker, and it's complete, and here it is hung up. So when somebody comes over, they can just grab that thing right there, or drop it. I'm going to hear that. I'm just going to let me know they're coming before they pop up right on top of me when they come in there. So, it works great. I love it. I think it looks awesome. Everything's functional on it. It's not going anywhere. Mounted up solid as a rock. All in all, I think it was a success and a wonderful idea. Guys, if you like that video, hit the button, because I know if I could pound it more than once, I would. Man, this has been a lot of fun. It's probably the most fun I've had making something in a long time. It's completely functional. It works great for me. It's exactly what I was looking for. It's a little brainchild come to life. It's amazing, and I love it. That's all I can say. If it's not obvious how much I enjoyed it, then you didn't watch the videos. Anyways, let me know what you think about it. Leave me a comment down below. If you got any other ideas, shoot. I'd like to hear them. Just let me know. I can try anything, you know. If you want to see me make something, shoot me an email, drop a comment. We can try and put something together because I really love doing this stuff. Again, thanks for all the support, you guys. Channel's growing because of you, and it's great. And another shout out to Jason at HOJ Forge, man. He's been huge in the growth of my channel, putting the word out, helping folks find me. It's been great. He's putting together a lot of great stuff over there, especially with the Forging It Forward. If you haven't checked that out, check into that. It's on Facebook. It's called Forging It Forward. A lot of smiths getting together, trying to help out others who can't really get started on their own, that need to be put in the right direction, maybe need some help with some tooling or something like that to help them get them on their way. And I think it's a wonderful thing. You know, I've already taken part. I've made a hammer for a fella named Martin. He's made some tongs for a gentleman named Billy. There's several guys getting involved wanting to make tooling punches, sending care packages. It's been great. So again, Jason, thanks, man. You're a huge inspiration to me as well. Check his channel out. I'll leave a link in the description. If you don't know who he is, go check him out. HOJ Forge. He's awesome. Again, guys, thanks for watching. And as always, we're going to see you on the next one.